Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with the Boxycharm Base Bucks unboxing, and this is for January 2021. I cannot believe we're already more than halfway through the month. Like, this is just crazy. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really can help my video to be seen by more people. And if you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's like a mystery makeup slash skincare box, and they have 3 tiers. This one is their base box. It's $25. You get 5 full-size products up to $125 in value, and then there's the $35 one, which is the premium, and I will link that up in the corner over here for this month. I've already unboxed that one, and you get 6 to 7 products for $175 value, and then every 3 months they have what's called the Boxy Luxe, which is $50, and that one contains like makeup, skincare, and sometimes lifestyle items. And with the premium and the base, you get to customize one item each month, so you're able to go onto the website on a certain day and pick one item that you would like to have in your box, and then the rest will be a mystery. And then for the Luxe box, which is every 3 months, they let you customize 2 items, I believe, in that one. So this month, the theme is Fresh Start. And let's go ahead and see what we got. Oh, if you're wondering what's on my eyes, I'm wearing the Juvia's Place, the Nubian Royal. It came with a crushed shade in it, so I'm showing it like, well, let's see. There, you can see a little bit better. That, and I'm wearing one of their new lip balms with it as well. This one is in the shade Berry. It looks like it would be really deep, but it's not. It's very, very comfortable and really nice. So that's what's on my face. Let's check out the box. First thing I'm pulling out here are the Silver Pure. What are these? Silver Pure PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. Get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with this antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. It says $30, so it looks like I guess we got 2. Did you guys all get 2? I guess they're kind of small, so yeah. Be good for, it comes with a nice little plastic. These are $30, and I think you can machine wash. Let's see, washcloth before first use, dampen cloth with warm water and gently remove makeup. Rinse cloth, machine wash as needed. So that's nice to have those. I've been trying not to buy any more cotton rounds. Been using the reusable like bamboo ones, and I have the a couple of the makeup erasers, so that's a nice another like 2 days worth of you know, makeup remover. Or actually you could use that probably like 4 times, I guess, like, and then flip it. So we'll see, I'll let you know. Next up here is the palette from Ofra. This is called their Good to Glow Mini Mix palette, and it's $39. And it has a full face in it. Let's take the protective sheet off. And you get, well, like 6 eyeshadows, and then a highlighter in the center, a bronzer, and a blush. I mean, you could use anything, anywhere that you would like. So the color that's calling to me is this green one here. Let's just swirl the highlighter too, because it's nice because if you don't want to keep it in here, you can pop it out and put it into a Z palette. It has the little, ooh, that green is nice. If you were thinking about the mint palettes from e.l.f., Maybe you won't need the mint if you're just looking for, I was thinking about them, I'm like, how much am I gonna wear mint? And that's the highlighter all swirled together, and it's, I think, 4 different highlighters. I don't think it says on here which ones, but it's got just 4 little slices of some of probably their best sellers, and it looks like the bronzer and the blush are both matte, and then you've got 3 matte shadows and then 3 shimmers. So this could make, you know, a nice little all-in-one if you had to travel anywhere, you know, to just use that. That would be like one and done. Next up here, Lashes MD. This is an eyelash growth serum, and it says it's $69.95. Wow. I want to have, you guys let me know if you've tried this. I want to say that I heard someone say they tried this and that it made their eyelashes fall out. Is it this one? The Lashes MD? Or am I thinking of another one? Like, I'm not sure. It seems like I've heard about this. Now, if it's good or bad, not sure. So it says it's an eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. So I'm using the one that we got like a few months back now. It's called Dermalect, I think it's how it's pronounced. I've been using that on my eyebrows, on my eyelashes. I don't notice anything really. I mean, my eyelashes are pretty full. I do have some bare areas where I had a scar from a car accident. And on this side, I have like where they don't completely grow. So I've been trying to concentrate it on those areas. So I guess once I'm done with that one, I'll start this one. If you guys have tried this, let me know. But $70, that's expensive. And then next up, this is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask Hydrate. And this is $48. It says life's turbulent. Life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesaver, this multitasker, nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants, leaves skin naturally renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. Oh, I like that you can use it for nightly mask, daytime moisturizer. So basically, it's a moisturizer. So that's really nice. And to get a $48 product, yes, thank you. Good sized little tube. Nice. So far I'm liking the box, And this, oh, the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick. This says that it is $29. And I get a nude color. Of all the times they send me a nude, they send it to me in an eyeshadow stick. And not only is it nude, it's almost my skin tone, and it's matte. So I'll probably be using this as a base for my eyeshadow, like just like a primer, I guess, because I don't know, there's not really much you can do. I'm not that creative to think of how to use this, I like to just reach into a palette and like be done. I'm not one that like I have a lot of the Stila stuff, and like I don't even use them, and every time I think about it, I'm like, oh, they're up there in that case, you know, my little thing, let me go. And then it's like, I just like, oh, I'm just gonna use this because it's so much easier just to do your whole, you know, have everything in your palette. And then the last item I got here is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra fine, continuous vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. 23 bucks. It's like an aerosol? Oh yeah, maybe it's like the Morphe one. I don't wanna. Ooh, it's got like a super fine mist. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Ooh, I'll like that. Okay, this was a really good box, guys. Like, let me make sure I didn't get any extra, like, freebies. Nope. No extra freebies. But this was a good box. Like, let's see how much dollars we are at here. Get my handy dandy calculator out. $239. I think my base box was actually worth more this month. I want to say it was like 270 something maybe. Maybe I'm thinking of something else, but 239 bucks for 35. I think that's a pretty good deal. I really like everything in the box except for the caviar stick, and that's only because of the shade. Like, the shade is kind of like eh. But other than that, you know, and I'll still use it as like a primer. Trying to see how well it blends out. It blends out really easy, so I can see just throwing it across your lid and, you know, tapping it out and then using it as a primer. Like, I don't have enough eye primers as it is. But yeah, this was a good box. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys got in your box, if you guys were happy with your boxes, because I know there's so many variations. Let me tell you the variation. This is, again, it's not really a number. Can you guys see that? It's like C21012002-PM. So do they have like 20,000 different variations? They probably do. But I know what all the variations that sometimes we get stuff and we're just like, really? Like, so-and-so got like such a great box. So I thought my box was really, really nice this time. So I'm really happy with it. So stay tuned for my review on it next month. I come back and let you know what I think about last month's box. I haven't done the December boxes yet because I didn't get them until the end of December. And I'm still working on my yearly roundup of all of the boxes and the breakdown of the prices versus what I used, what I gifted, what is no use, and then how much the boxes actually were of value to me. I did that last year and everybody really liked it. I can link my 2019 one up here if you want to see the style of how I did it. So yeah, I hope that you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I would love if you would subscribe. I would really love to get to 1,000 subscribers at some point here. So if you wouldn't mind helping me out by hitting that subscribe button, click the bell and set it to all so that you can be notified of all of my videos. And if you are a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back. And if you guys all made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.